For today's topic is about variables in Python. Yes, variable in Python is pretty easy to use. Let's start by x equal to 2 here. We run it. We will get nothing from output because we didn't take print. X equal to 2, and let's say y equal to 3. And here we make like a equal to x plus y. Then here we go to print x, y, and print a. And we hit run. We get 2, 3, 5. 2 with x, 3 is y, and a is x plus y here. So that's how to use the variables here in Python. And let's see how the variable can take, and you can change the variable's value. Like here, let's see, x here it was like 2, and we can make it here x equal to let's say 5, y equal to 4 here, and we will go to print x, y, and let's go to a here. We hit print. We get here 5, 3, and 8. Here Python erase the past variable value here. Like y equal to 3 is no longer 3. Oh, it's actually 3. I made the 5. Made it wrong. Let's go to 7 here. Oh, we hit print again. Yes, right now it's right. So y is not 3 anymore. It's 7. And a is gonna not be like the past value of x and y. It's gonna take the new value 5 and 7. So and somehow we erase like the old values here. So Python like automatically take it. In other language you're gonna get an error. Here this is gonna be okay for Python. So let's see if we take print x power. Here when you have these two asterisk signs here, it means power. Here we take x power y. Let's see, it's gonna be 78,125 here, or we can take it like a little bit easier, a equal to x power y print a. Let's see here, we get the same result because now a is equal to the same as we printed before. So if we want to see if we like divided x by y, what we are gonna get. Let's see, we get remainder by 5. Take the remainder after dividing the values. Here we have 5 and 7. If we divided 5 by 7, we are get remainder like 5 here. Let's check something else. Let's take this one like 60 and this one like 2 and check the remainder here. We get 0 because when we divide 60 by 2, we get like 0 as remainder. There is no remainder. And if we take 61 divided by 2, we will get 1 here. That means 61. When we divide 61 by 2, we will get remainder here. So it's like pretty good tool here. Yes, something else you can take, it's like not only numbers you can put here, you can put x equal to floating point like 0.3, y equal to let's see 5.1, a equal to x plus y print a. Here we will get 8.1. It's like floating point. If we type like here type a, we will get here float because like it's a floating point here. Something else we can do like x like string actually. Let's see, x is like my name y is let's say Qutaiba, that's my actual name. Y is equal, a is equal x plus y, print a. I forgot to put this here, I'm sorry. Like that, here. Now we hit run, we got my name Qutaiba here. Afterward, like later in this course, we will learn how to do like space between these two here. Your name with the number here, 1x, that you can do it here. Let's see the result here. If we do it here, we get an invalid syntax here because you can't start your variable name by number, or you can't use like space. If we take bx like that, it's we will get like invalid syntax as well because this one is invalid. You can do it in Python, the name, but you can do instead here px here like that. It's possible. So what you should use is using underscore instead of space. I guess that was all for variables. See you in the next lecture.